Bitcoin today, May the 3rd. Bitcoin sitting at the moment at $38,600. Still moving in this downward trend within the descending wedge. We hit the 37,500 support level. That was on the 1st of May. And since then, we've been gradually trending upwards within this descending wedge. So coming to the pointy end of the wedge, and Bitcoin at the moment at $38,600, still moving slowly to the upside. If you see here, we have a triangle forming at the end of the descending wedge. So if this triangle was to be the end of the wedge and we were to make a move to the upside, then we could see a move to around the $41,000 mark. And if we break to the downside, we'd see a move to the $36,000 mark. But we know we have strong support at $37,500. So it would have to be a strong move to break this 37.5 support. With a downward trending wedge, it would be more likely for Bitcoin to break to the upside. But of course, it can go either way. So we'll keep an eye on this very closely in the coming hours. Let's go to Bitcoin on the 15-minute. Let's have a quick look on the 15-minute. And if we have a look on the 15-minute, the ribbons have just flipped green. Not that we can get much indication from the 15-minute, of course. Just an interesting reference point here. And if we go back to the hourly, we notice also that the ribbons have flipped green. And if we notice here, the ribbons flip green, we go up, they flip red, starts our downtrend. Ribbons flip green, that starts our uptrend, and you'd be looking for the ribbons to flip red to confirm a downtrend again. And if we go to the 4-hourly, we can see here what I was just explaining on the hourly. And we have our stochastic RSI at 82, RSI at 46, and holding above the 0 line. So let's have a quick look at the crypto bubbles. And the big mover to the upside today is Hex, up 7.7% at the moment. And the big losers today are Crow, down 11.6%, confirming their troubles of yesterday. Ape still down once again, 5.2%. And GMT token down 6%. Fear and Greed is at 28. The heat map is a mixture of red and green, predominantly green at the moment. Total liquidations, 133 million of liquidations. And we have 72 million of longs liquidated, 58 million of shorts liquidated. And if we have a quick look at some news today, we see Argentina's largest private bank now allows users to buy Bitcoin. Banco Galicia, the largest private bank in Argentina, is allowing its users to buy, sell, send and receive Bitcoin on its mobile application. So another South American institution taking on Bitcoin. Argentina is suffering from hyperinflation as inflation hit a 20-year high just a few weeks ago. Prior to El Salvador's adoption, the Bitcoin payments infrastructure company known as Strike launched in the region. In January 2022, Strike launched in Argentina, providing a step forward for Bitcoin adoption in the region. Strike CEO Jack Muller took to Twitter for the announcement. And they're supplying a platform that helps with the adoption by the general public to get into Bitcoin. So things happening for Bitcoin in Argentina. Let's go back to the charts. So we'd be looking at around $41,000 for the level of this small breakout. So interesting to see. Let's just keep an eye on Bitcoin and see what happens in the coming hours. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. My name's Steve, and we'll talk again soon. Bye for now.